So we did this study because we were interested in the effect of the immune suppressive agent. And these are used lifelong when you get solid tumor, solid organ transplant. So the question is, among the patient who received double lung transplant, what is the real incidence of post-transplant malignancy, and what is the landscape looking like? What was interesting is that there is a really nice database, registry data, which is called OPTN. It is called Organ Procurement Transplantation Network, and they do provide data if you propose your study concept to them. And we were able to get their data and analyze it. And this was a total of 23,935 cases. And among them, what was interesting was the post-transplant malignancy rate was as high as 23%. So 5,600 patients with post-transplant malignancy were found. Interestingly, 67% of those patients were male, 32% female. And what's really interesting was that post-transplant malignancy, that rate, those people had longer overall survival rate compared to those without post-transplant malignancy. So the median overall survival was like 92 months, and 5-year survival rate was 83%. In recipients of post-transplant malignancy. And the median overall survival was only 36 months, and 5-year survival being the 67% for those without post-transplant malignancy. So I do believe there is what we call survivor bias, but even if you do landmark analysis or time-varying Cox analysis, which are going very deep in statistical analysis, but trying to eliminate bias, that this inverse relationship still remained, and I think that's what's very interesting. So in short, the lifetime incidence of post-transplant malignancy in this very unique double lung transplant group was about 20%, and then this group who had post-transplant malignancy had longer overall survival compared to those without post-transplant malignancy. And I do think that there's a biology plays a big role where we are rejecting tumor cells and rejecting tumor organ. These are same T cell biology. So that's probably why we're seeing this interesting inverse relationship here in our study.